Hello everyone, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today I will tell you about a mystery object. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. Today is a quiet afternoon at home. My children play in the garden. The sky is blue and the air feels fresh. Suddenly, my son calls me. His voice sounds excited. He says, "Mom, come here. We found something strange." I walk outside. I feel curious. The children stand near the old tree. They hold a small object in their hands. It looks very old. Maybe it is a secret. Maybe it is a mystery. Let us see what it is together. First, I walk to the garden. The grass is green and soft. The sun feels warm on my face. My children show me the object. It is a small stone. The stone is round and dark gray. It feels cold in my hand. Then we look closer. There are strange lines on the stone. The lines look like a tiny map. My daughter feels very excited. She says, "Maybe it is a treasure map." Next, we look around the garden. The wind is quiet. The birds sing softly. My son points to the old tree. He says, "Maybe the map shows this tree." After that, we walk slowly around the tree. The soil smells fresh. Suddenly, my daughter sees something under the leaves. It is a small wooden box. Finally, we open the box together. Inside the box, we see colorful marbles and an old toy coin. The children laugh happily. It is not real treasure, but it is still very special. Stop for a moment. Let's look at a special word. The word is mystery. Mystery means something strange or unknown. We do not know the answer yet. For example, the stone is a mystery. We do not know where it comes from. Mysteries make life interesting and fun. The children sit on the grass. The grass feels cool and soft. My son smiles and says, "This is our treasure." My daughter holds the shiny coin. The coin looks bright in the sun. I feel happy when I see their smiles. Simple moments like this make my heart warm. That is my mystery object story. Today we did not find real treasure, but we found something better. We found fun laughter and family time. What about you? Do you like mystery stories? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.